Hi, this is Nature's Pet Market Scout. And Simon's head is in the way. How old is Scout?
She's 9 weeks.
Scout is 9 weeks old. Oh, look. Oh, look into the camera. Oh, what a precious puppy. Oh, look how pretty Scout is. Hi, Scout. How are you? You're going to be on YouTube. Look at you, precious.
Say hi to everybody out there.
Say hi. Say hi to all your family and all your friends. Say hi. Yes. Does Scout have a last name?
No.
No, there's no last name.
Scout
just
Smith,
Scout.
maybe, I guess.
Scout Smith.
Yeah.
Hi. Welcome to Nature's Pet Market, Kirkland. How are you? Good boy. Boy. Yeah. Pretty. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.